FactoryWiz DNC stands for Direct Numerical Control, a term that has evolved over the years. Essentially, it's about streaming programs to CNC machines. FactoryWiz DNC boasts over 40 years of experience in the connected machine tool industry. From its early days of connecting machines via RS-232 to modern Ethernet solutions, FactoryWiz DNC offers protocols and solutions to transfer part programs from a central network repository to CNC machines, regardless of their brand or age. Using FactoryWiz secure DNC part program file transfer is not just a choice, but a necessity. In the past, we didn't have cybersecurity concerns, but today's manufacturing environment is different. Many manufacturers have faced ransomware attacks, causing significant delays and losses. With FactoryWiz DNC, you can secure your data transfers and protect your operations from cyber threats. We offer wired and wireless DNC networks that connect newer Ethernet and FTP-based machines, as well as older RS-232 equipment, allowing for bi-directional communication and drip feeding to an unlimited number of machines. Discover the security benefits of FactoryWiz DNC. Visit FactoryWiz.com or email sales@FactoryWiz.com for more information.